Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing some serious deep cleaning along with some everyday cleaning. So if you are ready to get some cleaning motivation, go ahead and continue watching. So today I'm actually going to be deep cleaning my son's old room. A lot of you guys know that he did recently just move out into his own apartment. So we're gonna deep clean in here, and it's been a few weeks since he's moved out, but this is just me finally getting around to doing it. So we have a lot of dusting to do, some shampooing of the carpets, cleaning the baseboards, all of that good stuff.
What if we knew the love would never let us down? Broken into reverse that broken feeling to say yeah, I do, and I will follow wherever you may go. I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now. All my tears and searching, gonna open up my curtains now, 'cause I don't wanna miss out. Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we can stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel? Take me on.
So we're gonna go ahead and do some dusting, and we live in Arizona, so there is a lot of dust, especially during the summer when we are running our AC units all day long. It draws in hot, dusty attic air, and then it just distributes all over our house. So you have to really keep up with dusting, and I haven't been in this room in a few weeks since my son moved out, so we're gonna get this dust up today.
Where will you go if you could time travel?
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
So after I finished dusting the table, I went ahead and grabbed a magic eraser and just kind of spot treated the walls before I washed them. And then before I moved forward, I went ahead and took down the curtains so I can wash those, because if the room is full of dust, I know those curtains are. So I just washed them in cool water in the wash machine, and then we just end up hanging them back up to dry. And these curtains are from IKEA, and you don't want to put these ones in the dryer.
It's getting thicker. But get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. understands this night away.
Also, if you were wondering, my son does live in student apartments by his college, so they are furnished, so he didn't have to take any big items, just like computer and clothes and like his personal things that he wants to take. So that's why we have his room fully furnished still. So this is always my favorite task. I just love super clean carpets. So we're going in with my Bissell Pet Pro. I started to clean the rug and then it got caught and it started smelling like smoke. So I stopped that. I moved the rug. I did have Ava help me move it while I just held the bed up. It was super hard. It was very challenging. So I might go ahead and take the rug to like a laundry mat just because it's so big. And I'm just vacuuming the floor because there was some dirt underneath the rug that I couldn't get to earlier. And now I'm going to finish shampooing the rest of the room.
Say something, something, 'cause we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? It's like we're fighting. Do you even want it? Do you feel you need this? Do you even feel it? Fighting for a lost cause. Where am I fighting for us? Just tell me, is it worth it all? Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through this stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kinda tough, babe. Feels like
So I just went ahead and added my baking soda mixture into the mattress just to give the mattress a nice refresh, and then we vacuumed that up. So it is later on in the evening and I wanted to do a quick clean downstairs so I can wake up the next morning with a clean house.
sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same.
With a friend and share my umbrella with a friend. I can play with a friend and stay with a friend and learn with a friend and explore.
What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we do anything.
So I also want to mention that I did not put any bedding on the bedroom upstairs. I'm going to go ahead and like buy a new set of bedding, just something new and fresh, and then also get some new pillows for that room. So that's why I didn't put anything down yet.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
forget you all alone now and go hide away from the lights. But I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep.
All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation from today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and join our family here on YouTube. I will be having another fall decorate with me video coming soon, along with a Sunday reset. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.